RoriTravel's Florida. We're here in Celebration, Florida for the Celebration Car Show with a lot of hot cars.
Lamborghini coming up next.
Some days won't end ever, some days pass on by. I'll be working here forever, at least until I die. Damned if you do, damned if you don't. I'm supposed to get a raise next week, you know damn well I won't. Working for a living, working for a living, working for a living, living and working, taking what they're giving, 'cause I'm working for a living.
Hey, I'm not complaining 'cause I really need to work, but hitting up my buddies got me feeling like a jerk. Car payment, insurance, alimony, rent. I get a check on Friday, but it's already spent. Working for a living, I'm working for a living. I'm working for a living, living and I'm working, taking what they're giving, 'cause I'm working for a living.
Bartender, ladies of the night,
Grease monkey, ex-junkie, winner of the fight. Walking on the streets, it's really all the same. NASCAR, rock star, or any other game. Working for a living, I'm working for a living. I'm working for a living, living and I'm working, taking what they're giving, 'cause I'm working for a living.
working for a living, living